Most delicious recipe made with bread and eggs. You will love this recipe. We're going to break this recipe into a container. 4 eggs. Add a spoonful of salt. A spoonful of black pepper. And we will hit it very well with the fork. And guys, this recipe is super easy to make. And it's delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. I will now add some butter. Wait to melt. And I'm going to put 2 loaves of bread in little pieces. Like this here. Ready now, let's mix it very well, and let this bread fry until it stays that way. When it stays like this, I'll put a little spoon of salt. A spoonful of granulated garlic, but it could also be garlic powder. And I'm going to mix some more. Now just add our bread to the egg, cut some chives and add. Mix just a little bit with a fork, which is to be incorporated. Put a little olive oil in a frying pan. And add our little recipe like this. I'm just going to spread it out here with the spatula. Cover and let cook for 5 minutes. Alright, one side has already been cooked, now I'm going to turn it over. Which is to cook the other side too. I'll add 2 spoons of tomato sauce. Spread very well. Put grated mozzarella cheese. Cut a tomato like this. And put more grated mozzarella cheese. Cut a little parsley. And add on top, and now just cover and leave on low heat until the cheese melts. Okay, the cheese has already melted and our recipe is ready. And it turned out wonderful. In addition to being very beautiful, it was super delicious. I'm sure everyone will love it. So if you liked it already, share, and see you next time. Goodbye.